Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Give me a like down below. It would mean the world to us. As you guys can see, I have a fall AF look going on right here. I have the olive colors. It's like a very different, intense look going on right here. And it was pretty easy to create. I just had to do like a lot of blending, but I hope you guys find it as easy as I did. So if you want to know how I created this very fall AF look, then keep on watching. So I recently got some contacts from Pretty Fabulous and I want to try them out for this look. I already threw out the packaging yesterday, so I wish I could show you guys the packaging, but I already put them like in the little container. And I wanted to try them on camera. The first time I put a pair of contacts on, I was like in middle school. I was in the restroom, and the second I got one contact in, I was freaking out because I didn't know how I was gonna take it out. These are really thin, by the way, so. Okay, there goes one. Okay, so I got both of them on. This one was giving me like a little hard time, I guess because they're like really thin. I don't know, I kept like flipping back out, but I don't know, I feel like I look a little too weird, but it could just also be because I'm not wearing any makeup and I have just like weird contacts on that are not my color. And you guys can see how like fall as fuck my nails are. I was literally trying to go for something different. I feel like I always stick with like the same like girly colors, but I was like, I just want something that screams fall. So this is what I got. Okay, first thing I'm gonna prime with the Revolution Pro Blur Stick primer. Now for foundation, I do want to use the Milani foundation, and this is in the shade, Warm Beige 05. Okay, now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I got the shade Shortbread. Now to bake, I'm using the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder, and this is in Brightening Pink. I'm going to do my eyebrows really quickly because I feel like I'm a lot faster off camera. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did not notice that the camera wasn't actually recording when I started the bronzer part, but I like to go ahead and like start on the rest of my face, and then I'll leave the eyes and the lips for the end. So I did start warming up my face with the Revolution Mega Bronzer in the shade 02 Warm. And then for blush, I am using the Kylie blush, and this is in the color Fatty on the Block. So that's that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it for right now with the Milk Makeup Setting Spray. This is a blur spray. And I like to do this twice, so I'll go in with the setting spray right now, and then at the very end I'll apply another one just to make sure I really just seal everything in. I am going to zoom just a little bit in so you guys can see more of what I'm doing, because I feel like I am too far away. Okay, so we're now a lot closer so you guys can see what the eyeshadow is going to look like. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to be starting off with a very bold color. Start off with this very deep red right here. It's like a burgundy red kind of. I just applied it just like this right now. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and just make it look a little nicer. But I just kind of want to worry about packing in the color right now. So I do want to switch over to a different brush now because I really want to go in there and blend that in right. And by the way, I am using Nikita's new collab with Morphe brush set. Recently just got them and they were very good. Okay, so now I'm going in with another palette. You guys are going to see I'm using like different palettes on this makeup look, but who cares, right? You have to use what you have, and I really don't buy so many eyeshadow palettes anymore. I kind of just work with what I have, but I really should buy more. But we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. You guys know the palette, and I'm gonna be using Love Letter right here. Going on here. So I'm gonna change over to my Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm gonna be going in with one of the darkest shades on the palette, which is this one right here. So going back to again the Morphe 35M palette, I'm going to be popping this olive green color right here, right on the center of the lid. Now I'm gonna pick up this very bright green. It's like a lime green on the palette right here, and just using my finger I'm gonna pick some of that up and just apply like just a tiny bit on the center of my lid, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a, pop, so that the look doesn't look too dark. So I felt like that was a good thing. It was a good idea. So I'm going to finish off my lower lash line and I will be right back. I'm going to be using the Natty lashes. These are so cute, and I'm using the style Marina. This is how they look like right here. We just recently teamed up with them, so if you guys want to purchase any of their lashes, they come in different packagings, like that one. This one right here look like that, and also they come in this packaging as well. So you guys want to purchase any of the lashes, we do have a discount code with them. You can use Connie or Mary as your discount code at checkout to save you some money. Lashes, it looks a lot better. So lashes are on, and the last thing we have to do is just add lipstick, and we're gonna set the whole face and we'll be done. I'm gonna use the lip pencil by Morphe in the shade Bite Me. And now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's lipstick in the shade Nude Nonsense. You guys, now I'm going to be setting the face Morphe Madison Beer setting spray. This is the Seal the Deal Luminous setting spray. Just shake it up a little bit. I love how that smells. Okay, and that setting spray definitely does give you that like natural glow, because I have no highlighter on. Like I had applied no highlighter on, and I have like that natural glow already, which is amazing. So I really love how that setting spray does that for me. But other than that, guys, this is the end of the fall makeup tutorial. Fall AF. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That way you guys are able to know every time we post a new video. And I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.